Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we have an unboxing for the Intechi chassis. This product is from Amazon. Remember, link to all the products that I use and show is going to be in the description below. And any purchases through that link help support the channel. So I appreciate all the support, guys. We're going to go ahead and get this camera up and we're going to see what we ended up getting. Wow, we got a brown bag. That's never good. As you guys see in the background, you see the Intechi truck sitting up on the stand. There's Mini Me hanging out. He's happy. Adventure Times banner. We got USTE up there as well. Got a little loft. Tire rack. Little guy saying he hears nothing. He doesn't want to know anything about this. But enough of that. We're here for an unboxing. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this bag. And this is what we're after. This is a 35 kilogram aluminum waterproof stainless gear servo. And this thing can handle all the way up to 8.4 volts. Link to this is going to be in the description, showing you guys the make of it. Okay, and it does. I do have the angle of 180. You can go all the way up to 270, I believe. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the package and look up a little closer to it. Well, we got her out of the package, and man, it's got some beef to it. Good aluminum, fully waterproof, ball bearings in here instead of brass bushings. So everything's bearinged instead of bushioned. So that's gonna be a nice, smooth roll. And I think this is gonna look very good and perfect on the build. Man, I'm trying to keep a certain scheme, color scheme, and looks like I'm getting it. We're gonna go ahead and get this servo loaded up. I'm not gonna sit here and bore you guys with installing this thing. So we're gonna get it up installed and see how it looks. All right, guys, she's all installed now. I'm not quite ready to run the wires yet, but the receiver box is right here, so it's up close, easy. Servo's in, installed. Man, does it look good in there. Did the black servo horn. It comes with a servo horn. It's black with a brass look, but I don't have any of the brass look on here, so I didn't want to mix that color in. So I just went with a straight black 25T steering horn. But much better. We're coming along. Hopefully on the next video, we are doing the body on this truck and I can reveal what body's going on this. All right, guys, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. Don't forget the thumbs up button so you guys can get more content like this. All right, guys, I appreciate it. We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one, everybody.